What's up foodies, Victor here. I'm in Hiroshima, Japan, and today we're gonna go and visit a local Hiroshima style okonomiyaki place. This is a Japanese dish that's enjoyed throughout the country, but Hiroshima has its own way of doing this. I heard it's really delicious, and this restaurant is actually recommended to me by one of my friends. I'm interested to see how good it is because he loves this place and he comes here every time he visits the town. And it's actually kind of nice to see that this city has its own distinct feel, and it's very different from Fukuoka and Tokyo and Kyoto or Osaka. So I'm excited to be here, and I'm excited to try the local specialty foods. So I'm walking down Heiwa-dori here in Hiroshima, and it's actually quite scenic. The first thing I noticed is the streetcars. So streetcars are something I haven't yet seen in Japan, and so far the only city I've seen that in is here in Hiroshima, and I like that. It's really cool. It's a nice little touch to the city landscape, gives it a nice little, home feeling. I don't know, it just feels cool. And I'm starving, I'm ready for lunch, and I'm ready to have some okonomiyaki. Now the first thing I noticed is that all the food is cooked on one large teppanyaki grill in the middle of the kitchen. So it's a really interactive experience. You get to see them cook your dish right in front of you. Now the menu has a lot of different options in terms of toppings and fillings. I decided to go with the special seafood with the yakisoba. And you have a choice of yakisoba or udon noodles, but the recommendation here was the soba noodles. And also, if you're not feeling like you need okonomiyaki, they also have a lot of different side dishes and extra appetizers that you can order. So I'm going to order myself a breakfast sausage side. They really just layer on all the food. First you start off with the yakisoba, and then they add on the vegetables like the cabbage, and then finally they stack up the seafood along with the bacon. It's an endless mountain of food, and I'm just pretty surprised at how many ingredients goes into cooking this one dish. So the chef just told me that sausage is super spicy, so I'm excited to try it out. I think it's like a habanero, something like that. Let's do it with the herb sausage. Here we go. Simple grilled sausage, you can't beat that. Next up, the spicy sausage. I said these are really spicy. I think it's habanero. Let's get it with some ketchup. I like it. I like it.
Seafood special soba. はい、お待たせ。どうぞ。
First you have the okonomiyaki sauce, which is a nice little tangy, sweet, salty sauce. And then you have the Kewpie mayo, which is a classic topping for okonomiyaki. Now I'm always sure to add a little bit more mayo because it goes really well with the okonomiyaki and makes it taste nice and creamy and fatty. I also ordered a side of clogged arteries, so I made sure to pack on extra mayo. For the second piece, now this time I got some shrimp, and I am a big fan of shrimp. Shrimp and mayonnaise go together perfectly. Now the cool thing about this place is that they cook each component separately. They cook the noodles down, make it nice and crispy, and then they cook down the cabbage, and then finally at the end they combine everything into one total dish. Here we go. If you're the type of person that really loves every single food group combined into one dish, like a chow mein or fried rice, this dish is for you. But besides that, even though it was a lot of food, I still thought it was really delicious, and I would definitely recommend if you come visit Hiroshima. I really enjoyed that okonomiyaki, but I'm a bit too far right now and I gotta catch a train back to Tokyo. We'll see you guys later.